Still getting your 8 glasses with plastic water bottles and water coolers?
Talk about unsustainable. Clean water shouldn't have to be difficult.
That's why I made the switch to the Express Water Reverse Osmosis System, an easy-to-install water filtration system that leaves your water pure, clean, and great tasting. This powerful little guy filters over 108 impurities that are secretly polluting your water, like fluoride, chlorine, rust, and other unmentionables. And I don't know about you, but when I turn on my tap, I only want to see one thing: water. The reverse osmosis system filters up to 99% of impurities and reduces total dissolved solids. Now that is pure and so delicious. And guess what? It's easy. This RO system's color-coded design makes it easy to install. Plus, with lifetime support, it makes making the switch simple. So ditch the tap and meet us in the kitchen for your freshest, cleanest water yet.